Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be here with you today to do some two-digit addition with base 10 blocks, or sometimes they're called base 10 pieces. So you can see here, there's a lot going on. We've got a place value chart. We've got the ones, the tens. This would be what place? This would be the hundreds. I didn't write it down because we're not going to use the hundreds right now. And my video picture of myself is in the hundreds place because, again, we're not going to use the hundreds place today. Okay, so we have a problem here which says Maria has $54 saved. For her birthday, she was given $23. How much money does she have now? So we'll start with a basic problem, $54. This math app that I'm in right now, I'm going to put a link on the slide for you. It's really cool. You can watch. So if I just come over here, so down here I put it on multicolored, right there, okay? And I'm going to drag this out. So I'm going to first represent 54. So that's 10, 20, 30. Now if it's selected, I can also come down here and just duplicate it. See right here it says duplicate 40, 50. Okay, so we'll drag those over. So we've got 50 here, and I've got $54. So that's 50 and 4 ones. So these are our ones here. So that's $51, $52, $53, and $54. Okay, so we have $54 there. Now we want to add to that $23. So I'm going to represent 23 down here. You guys probably recognize these base 10 pieces, right? I'll show you those in a minute. And here are the ones, right? The little yellow ones. Okay, sometimes they're green, different colors. Sometimes they're blue. But we know these are tens because there are 10 ones in one 10. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we're representing 20, so we need two tens. Two tens make 20. And we have, how many ones? 3 ones. So we'll drag over some ones. 3, 1, 2, and 3. And again, if you want to try this out, you can totally do it. It's quite fun. Okay, so, and what I did to draw, over here, look, you can click on this wheel, and you can select your color, right? So let's say I pick blue, and I select the pen, and I can draw. All right, and then if I don't like that, I can erase it. So this is a really cool app. So now we want to add them up. Okay, so we could start with either the tens or the ones. Generally speaking, I like to start with the smaller place value when I do it like this, so I'm going to start with the ones. So let's see, we have, let's count how many ones we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 ones. So I'm actually going to draw that. Let's try the yellow. I'm going to write that down here. I have 7 ones. Okay, and let's see how many tens we have. Let's see did I just say how many tens we have? Let's make that green. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. Okay, so we have 77, right? This 7 represents 70 plus the 7 more that we have. So we know that Maria has $77. 54 plus 23 gives us 70 plus 7 equals 77. Okay, so that's fun. And now let's go over to my board here. I'm going to move me off to the side. Actually, I'm going to put myself over here. Okay, so basically what we just did, you guys are familiar with these, right? The foam ones are nice because they're not so loud. So we have, let's represent, this problem is 62 plus 25. So how many tens do we need for 62? We need 6 tens. So there's my 6 tens. So there's 60 plus 2 ones. Okay? 2 ones. And now we want to represent the 25. So how many 10s are there in 25? So if you said 2, that is correct. So I'll put my 2 here. They don't quite fit into the frame, but you can kind of get the idea here. There's 2 10s right there and 5 1s. So those are my 5 1s. Okay? All right, so we have 62 plus 25. So if we put all of our 1s together, how many 1s do we have? We have 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. Right? We have 7 1s. And how many 10s do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 10s. So our answer would be equals 8 10s and 7 1s, or 87. Okay, 87. So if you're at home, so I know you don't have all these materials, but I bet you have some paper and pencil. So I'm going to show you what you can do at home. So just all you need is a pencil or paper, pen or pencil, and a piece of paper, and let's draw a quick place value chart. So let's put our 1s over here. Okay, and we'll draw a line, and we'll draw another line. We'll put our 10s here, our 1s here. We're not going to need the hundreds place today, but it would come over. It would be in this spot over here where my head is, would be the hundreds place. Okay. All right. So here's how you can represent this just using a pen or a pencil. So first, we're going to represent the number 62. So you don't have these, but instead of putting this down and drawing it all out, you can just do a line like that. You probably saw that before. Okay. So that shows me 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So that's 60, and then 2 1s, I'm just going to draw 2 dots. Okay, nothing fancy. All right. So that's 62. Now I want to add 25, so I'm going to add 2 10s here, because there's 2 10s and 25, and my 5 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I draw my line. Okay. By the way, you can watch this video anytime that you want if it helps you to review it. Okay, because on the slide I want you to do another problem. Okay, so we have 2 1s and 5 1s, just like we had with these. Right, these are my 1s. Okay, and these are my 10s. So we know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s. And how many 10s do we have? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we have 8 10s, right? 8 10s, which gives us 87, because 8 10s is the same as 80. 80 plus 7 equals 87. Okay, which is the same answer we got up here. So I want you to do the next problem on the slide. I forget what the problem is right now. But use paper, okay? Draw your place value chart just the way that I did. Draw it out with base 10. We call that base 10 shorthand, okay? Because it's not using these. And see what answer you get, okay? And maybe later you can show it to your teacher. All right, good luck, boys and girls, and I will see you soon. All right, bye-bye.